Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix keyboard backlight not turning on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. So, let's check our keyboard backlight. As you can see, it is changed by pressing F5 button, or if it's not F5, then it's the button that has the backlight, the keyboard, basically the glowing keyboard icon on it, and pressing it will result in changing the brightness. But if this button doesn't work by itself, for example right now we cannot change the brightness, then this means that your function keys are locked, and in such case you can either press and hold the F button and press F5 with it to change the backlight brightness, or you can press Fn and left shift buttons and then use F5 by itself. Now, as you can also see, we can adjust in this menu we can also adjust the timer for our keyboard backlight, basically the turn on timer for our keyboard backlight. But if you don't see it on your laptop, well, that then probably means that your device either doesn't support this feature, or maybe you have a stock operational system installed on your device, the stock Microsoft, and not the stock, but the clean Microsoft version of the Windows on your laptop. In such case, you will not have this option enabled. So in case your backlight turns off after being turned on and you don't know what to do, then you don't actually have to reinstall Windows on your PC. You can just go turn it off by going to this start menu, then selecting shutdown in power options. And once your device is powered off, we're gonna have to wait for the power indicator to stop glowing above the power button, and then after a couple of seconds, short press the power button and then start repeatedly pressing escape button until you see the startup menu on your screen. Now in this menu, we're gonna have to select BIOS menu, so press F10 to open it. And once you are in the BIOS menu, you'll be able to either navigate here using the touchpad of your device, or you can use the touch screen of your device, or you can use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, and up and down to navigate between options, enter to select. And this way we're gonna have to go to configuration menu and then select keyboard backlight timeout here, press enter and change it to never if you don't want your keyboard backlight to turn off. Then press F10 to apply changes and press enter once again to exit this menu. And after that, your keyboard backlight should not be turning off after 30 seconds of inactivity. Now, if this didn't help you, if this didn't solve your issue, then it's most probably a hardware issue at this point. And then you should either reach out to HP customer support service, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device's keyboard. Maybe they'll just have to reset the cable for your keyboard cable on your laptop, but it's safer if you do this with the specialist help, especially if you got your device on warranty still. So in such case, definitely reach out to HP customer support service and let them take care of this issue. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.